In the 2017 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated seats, traction control, all-wheel drive, dual airbags, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.